Hi everybody, welcome back with me, Nia. It is new normal. Why not getting some fresh air and visit Buyan Lake? Well, maybe some of you never know that Buyan Lake has many things to offer. But what are there? Let's jump in.
Buyan Lake is located in Buleleng Regency. Natural charm offered is a lake surrounded by forest and outdoor area. Therefore, Buyan is one of the places suitable for camping. Besides that, tourists can also fishing, trekking, and hiking. So, what are you waiting for? Visit Buyan Lake and enjoy the holiday.